Today I'm going to tell you 5 free online tools that will help you when making your videos. Number 1, Canva. Now Canva is the best free place to make your thumbnails. You can do just about anything. On Canva you can insert images you want there. There are templates Canva has made custom for your needs. There are elements, which are cartoon images of anything you want. There are shapes, you can have text, and finally you can draw as well. So there is a wide range of things to choose from to make your thumbnails that are the same or if not better than popular YouTubers. Number 2, Unsplash. Unsplash is a place to get high quality 4K images for the cost of nothing. These images can be used in your videos really well. They have a really big library of images to choose from. You could type up animal images and animal images would pop up. You could type building images and building images will pop up. I think there is an image for everything in Unsplash. Number 3, YouTube Studios app mobile. The YouTube Studios app is really helpful to look at while you're on the go or you're doing something where you can't be at your desk. You can look at your analytics from your past videos, so you can look at focusing on key aspects of your channel. For example, you could look at the viewer duration of a video and see if people are watching till the end, and if not, you might need to make your videos more exciting so they are making it to the end of your video. Number 4, vidIQ. vidIQ is really helpful tool as they help you with just about any aspect of YouTube, from video ideas to helping you write a description or a title. You can use the free version of vidIQ or you can buy the extended version that will help you with everything you need to know about YouTube. But I use the free one and it's completely fine. It's all I need. So you can pay that extra bit so you get that extra help, but I think the free one's just as good and it really helps with your future videos. And finally, number 5. If you are looking for some royalty-free music, look no further. There is a YouTube channel called Flog No Copyright Music. It has hundreds of copyright-free music that you can use. It has every genre, just anything that you need when making your videos. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. Comment anything you want me to do, and goodbye.